Hey, Aku. What? Someone took a picture and I'm going to give you 5 minutes so you can explain to me what is this. What? What about it? What do you mean, what about it? What are you doing with the word tiger? Who is from the ADA, by the way? I know he's from the ADA, okay? And nothing, we're just hanging out. Hanging out. It doesn't look like you're just hanging out. You know he's the enemy, right? Yeah, I know he's the enemy. I'm telling Mari about this. Okay, fine. Go ahead. Tell him. So I can tell him that I saw you once shoving your entire fucking face against that size ball. Oh my god, what are you talking about? Yeah, I saw you. What the fuck? And you know what is the worst part? It was in the middle of a fucking war. Oh. Yeah, oh. Everyone fighting for their goddamn lives and you were just in there. Oh my god, I was taking a nap, okay? Yeah, okay, sure, fine, whatever. I saw him leaving your office once too. Listen, that's not the point. The point here is, did I tell someone? No. Okay, fine. At least I don't let anyone take pictures of my love affair. At least I'm not a hypocrite and a snitch. At least I can go drag her. At least I can roll. I'm gonna end this. Okay, listen. We're in the same boat here, right? So, you keep my secret, I keep your secret. Everyone's happy, okay? Okay, fine. Do you think they keep it as a secret? As far as I know, they do. You know what will be really funny? If we ask them to meet us at the same time and ask them to leave at the same time, so when they go out, they run into each other. Yeah. Oh my god, that'll be hilarious. That'll be hilarious. Let's do it. Let's fucking do it. Do what? Oh my god. Nothing. I was asking out of courtesy. I don't really know what you're talking about. Hey, I'm not judging. I'm not judging. I'm on the same boat too. What? With who? With who do you think? The president? And let me tell you something. That is the greatest idea I ever fucking heard. What? Yeah, I'm sick and tired of them. Oh, we are better than anyone else and our models are so high that are untouchable, blah, 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 blah. I will really love to see their reaction. Running into each other and finding out that they are not the only ones sleeping with members of the Port Mafia. Okay, fine, let's do it. Yeah, let's do it. Okay, cool. Let's create a group chat. Chuya, were you really shoving your face against that size ball? Oh my god, I was taking a nap. Oh my god, what are you doing? Oh, this is really good. You're sleeping with Akutawa. Shh, no I'm not. This is pretty good, you know what? If you don't want me to tell anyone this, you will have to write all my reports for an entire month. Okay, fine, I will. Wait a minute. What are you doing here in Chi's office, huh? You bastard, you try to manipulate me. I'm not gonna write a shit for you. If you don't tell me, I won't tell you, okay? Damn, you're smarter than I thought. What the fuck? that's stupid. That's pretty believable. Desi, what are you doing here? You know what? I have a question for you actually. When were you going to tell us that you're banging the chief of the port mafia? You're fired. Oh, I'm fired. Yes. Okay, then I guess I don't have to keep your secret anymore. You're right back. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, everybody calm down. Clearly we all have something on each other, okay? So if you don't tell on me, I won't tell on you, okay? We have a deal?